Hello kid, today we're going to learn something very important in English. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Clever Curve by Aisha. Are you curious about noun? What is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, and thing. Noun is the name of a person, place, and thing. So, the kinds of noun together. First noun, proper noun. Proper noun is a special name given to a person, place, or thing. Like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Eiffel Tower, and Pakistani flag. Next is common noun. A common noun is a general name like teacher, city, and fruit. Next is collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group like flock of birds, class of students, and bunch of bananas. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is something we cannot see or touch, but we can feel it, like love, joy, and fear. Now let's recall. Noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, and thing. Kinds of noun are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Wasn't that fun? Subscribe to Clever Curve by Asha to have more fun and learn.